Hello everyone! Would you like to know what your favorite pet would look like if it were a human? It turns out it's very easy to do, and I'll show you how. First, open. I use the free version of ChatGPT. This functionality will be quite enough for us. The most important thing we need is a prepared photo of your favorite pet, preferably in portrait form. So upload the photo from the computer. Simply click on Upload Files and More. Select Upload from Computer. Select the photograph of our pet. It starts uploading. So in this area, insert this prompt. I have prepared it for you and placed it in the description under my video. Insert the prompt, press the Execute command. The neural network has uploaded our photo, read our prompt, and is starting to execute the command. So here it is in front of you. The same character, the same style, but now in the image of a human. Funny, isn't it? This is so cool. Let's try something else. Upload from computer. Repeat our prompt. Wait for another generation. Super! It turned out realistic, recognizable, and very touching. Let's make another example. Here's such a cute little dog. Let's upload it. Repeat our prompt, which I left for you. Oh, how interesting. But still cool and awesome and fun? Super. You can quickly download the generated images by clicking the download button. I'm sure you will definitely manage, and you'll be able to turn your pet into a real person. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was useful for you. If it's not too much trouble, please like, subscribe to the channel, or leave a comment. All the best. You will definitely succeed. See you.